Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Death Stranding 2 on the beach, not launching, crashing, or crashing at startup on PC. First, restart your computer and then launch the game. Next, close OneDrive. Right-click the OneDrive icon, exit it, or sign out completely, then check again. Now try launching the game from the installation folder. Go to the game directory, open the folder, and run the exe file. You can also enable Run as Administrator, try Windows 8 compatibility, or disable full screen optimization. Next, install required files. In the game folder, run the PSPC SDK runtime as administrator, then run the other setup files and relaunch the game. Avoid using Alt+Tab while launching and skip cutscenes if possible. Now go to game settings and turn off frame generation, dynamic resolution scaling, NVIDIA Reflex, HDR, and ray tracing. Set upscale to a basic option like Pico or XS and lower graphics settings. Next, allow the game through antivirus. Add the game.exe file in Windows Security Controlled Folder Access and Windows Firewall. Do the same for any third-party antivirus. Verify game files in Steam. You can also rename config or save files back up first to reset settings. Now update your GPU drivers with a clean install and restart your PC. Disable overlays like Steam, Discord, and NVIDIA Overlay and avoid overclocking. Clear DirectX shader cache and NVIDIA cache, then restart. Install Visual C++ redistributables, update Windows, and adjust power settings. Disconnect extra devices and use a single monitor. If needed, increase virtual memory or update BIOS. Finally, reinstall the game on another drive or clear Steam download cache. One of these steps should fix the issue, so that will be all. Thank you for watching.